Stirring incident highlighting quick response and humanity on duty, railway staff in Karnataka's Bantwal ensured the safe delivery of a baby on board a train after a pregnant passenger went into sudden labor. The incident took place on Sunday aboard train number 16586 Murdeshwar to SMVT Bengaluru Express. The woman, who was travelling in a general coach, went into distress as the train arrived at Bantwal railway station at around 7:22 p.m. and was found suffering from heavy bleeding. Railway staff immediately alerted emergency medical services and arranged an ambulance. However, before medical help could arrive, the woman delivered a premature baby boy inside the train coach. In a critical moment, escorting staff from train number 16512, Head Constable Aruna S.S. and Shankaramurthy acted swiftly and provided immediate assistance, handling the emergency situation with care and presence of mind. Soon after the delivery, both the mother and newborn were shifted by ambulance to Somavaji Private Hospital in Bantwal for further treatment. According to hospital sources, both are stable, although the newborn has been kept under medical observation due to premature birth. Divisional Finance Manager Prithvi S. Hullati said that after the delivery, both mother and baby were safely transferred to the hospital and are in stable condition under medical supervision. Southwestern Railway, Mysore Division, in an official statement, praised the swift response, professionalism and dedication of its staff, calling it a reflection of their commitment to passenger safety and humanitarian service. A routine journey turned into an emergency, but timely action and teamwork ensured a safe delivery and saved 2 lives. In moments like these, isn't it humanity and presence of mind that truly make the difference between life and loss? Comment us below. For more such update, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.